Students, today I am going to introduce you chapter triangles and its property, which will help you to solve the exercise question. Students, as you can see, the chapter name is triangles and its property. So first I will talk about triangle. So see, triangle. So triangle is a closed curve which is made up of three line segment. See, this is your triangle. A will give the name A, B and C. So in this triangle there are three sides AB, BC and CA. So when we are talking about sides, so it has three sides AB, BC and CA. Okay, in triangle there are three angles also, angle A, angle B and angle C. So angles in a triangle, angle BAC, comma, angle ABC, comma, angle ACB, or we can write angle A, comma, angle B, comma, angle C. Now we are talking about vertices. So again, a triangle has three vertices. See, vertices, we know that the end point where two lines meet. So in this figure, in this triangle, see, this line AB and AC meet at that point. So this is the vertex of this triangle. Similarly, in this triangle, there are three vertex. This one and where two lines, again these two lines meet at that point. So this is your vertex. So it means a triangle has three vertex. And when we are talking about vertex, if more than one vertex, so we can write vertices. So it has three vertices A, comma B, comma C. Let's move forward and talk more about triangles. Next is classification of triangles. So triangles we can classify on the basis of their sides and on the basis of their angles. So firstly, here we are talking about on the basis of their sides. So we can distribute triangles on the basis on their sides. First one is equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle. As you see, the name is equal, so it means its all sides are equal. In equilateral triangle, all sides are equal. We'll give them name A, B and C. So AB is equal to BC is equal to CE. All sides are equal. This is the sign of equal. And as well as in this triangle, equilateral triangle, all angles are equal. It means angle A is equal to angle B is equal to angle C. So first it's all sides are equal and its all angles are equal. Okay, next is your isosceles triangle. In isosceles triangle, we know that any two sides are equal. So we draw the figure of isosceles triangle in which two sides are equal, A, B, C. In this triangle, suppose this side is equal to this side. So this is the sign of equal sides. These sides AB and BC, AB and AC are equal. So we can write AB is equal to AC, which is not equal to BC. And one more property in isosceles triangle, that is in isosceles triangle, sides equal, opposite angle of the equal sides are equal. See, AB and AC, these two sides are equal. The opposite angle of this equal side, this side, the AB, the opposite angle is angle C, and the side AC, which is again equal to AB. So AC, the opposite angle is B. So it means in this triangle, angle B and C also equal. So angle angle B is equal to angle C, which is again not equal to, this is not fulfilled to angle A. Angle A is not equal to angle B and C because sides, equal sides, the opposite angles of the equal sides are equal. The third one is scalene triangle. In scalene triangle, all three sides are unequal. See, in this triangle, suppose the triangle is A, B and C. In this triangle, all sides are unequal. It means AB is not equal to BC, is not equal to CA. Similarly, in this triangle, no angle is equal. It means angle A is not equal to angle B, is not equal to angle C. Now let's move forward and talk about classification of triangle on the basis of their angles. So first one is acute angle triangle. In this triangle, all angles are less than 90 degree, or we can say all angles are acute angle. So see, all angles are less than 90 degree. A, B, C, that is all angles are less than 90 degree. Okay. Next is your obtuse angle triangle. In obtuse angle triangle, one angle is obtuse, that is more than 90 degree, that is more than 90 degree. So we can draw like this. One angle is more than 90 degree and the other two angles are acute angle. The other two, in obtuse angle triangle, other two angles are acute. Now last one is right angle triangle. Right angled triangle. In this triangle, one angle is right angle, or we can say 90 degree. You see this figure? One angle is 90 degree. A, B and C. And again other two angles are acute. Other two angles are acute and one angle is 90 degree, equal to 90 degree. So here angle A, B, C is equal to 90 degree. Now next topic is median of the triangle. So median of the triangle, the line connecting vertex of a triangle to the midpoint of the opposite side is median. So as per the definition, suppose your triangle like this, A, B and C. So line connecting vertex. In this triangle, we know that there are three vertex A, B and C. So suppose this vertex A, a line connecting vertex of a triangle to the midpoint of the opposite side. So as we can see, this is your vertex and the opposite side of this vertex is BC, and the midpoint, suppose the midpoint is this. So we'll join this line. So this line is known as median of this triangle, give them name D, and now this line is median of the triangle. It means BC distributed into two equal parts. This side is equal to, in BD is equal to DC. Similarly, we can draw the median from the every vertex of the triangle. See, in this triangle, this is your vertex, this is your vertex and this is your vertex. Give them name A, B and C. So when we draw the median from this vertex, so this is A, B and C, D, give them D. And again, if we draw the median from this vertex, so we'll draw like this. This is the midpoint of this side, and again we can draw like this. A, B, C, D, give them name E and F. So in this triangle there are three median. So median AD, comma BE and CF. So in this triangle there are three medians AB, B and CF. Next is altitude of a triangle. Altitude is the height of a triangle. It is the line starting from the vertex of the triangle which is perpendicular to the other side. So suppose we'll draw the figure. In this figure, suppose give them name A, B and C. So according to definition, it is a line starting from the vertex, again starting from the vertex of the triangle which is perpendicular to the other side. So we know that perpendicular is a line touching the other line at an angle of 90 degrees. So in median, you know that the line touches at midpoint, but in altitude the line touches at the angle of 90 degree. Give them D. So here AD is an altitude. Okay. Now when we are talking about in right angle triangle, so in right angle triangle, see, in this triangle A, B and C. So here AB is itself an altitude, and when we are talking about BC, so BC is an altitude of line AB. Okay, so suppose you know that altitude, it means we can draw the vertex, again the same thing, but it is perpendicular. We'll draw the other line at makes an angle of 90 degree or perpendicular. So here AB itself an altitude, BC is altitude of line AB, and if we draw a vertex from that point, we start from that point. So again give them name, suppose D. So BD is altitude of this triangle. So in this triangle there are three altitude, AB, comma BC and BD. So in right angle triangle, AB, BC and BD are these three altitude of this triangle. Now we are talking about altitude in obtuse angle triangle. In obtuse angle triangle, we know that one angle is more than 90 degree. So we draw like this. Give them name A, B and C. So in this triangle, AX is your altitude and CX is your an altitude, and at P point this is your an altitude. So in case of, so one thing you have to remember, in case of obtuse angle triangle, the altitude lies outside of the triangle. Next topic is properties of triangle. So first property is exterior angle property. Exterior angle property. It states that the exterior angle of a triangle is equal to the sum of interior opposite angle. Suppose I make triangle A, B and C. If we exceed BC from at point D, so here ACD is an exterior angle of this triangle. Okay, so according to your definition, exterior angle is equal to the sum of interior opposite angle. Exterior angle is equal to the sum of interior opposite angle. So iske opposite, this angle and this angle. So suppose we'll give them name 1, 2 and 3. So angle 1 is equal to angle 2 plus angle 3. Similarly, if we exceed this line from like this, so here this is your exterior angle. Suppose give them name 5 or this give them name 4. So angle 5 Angle 5 is your exterior angle and sum of angle 5 exterior angle, and we know that exterior angle is equal to the sum of interior opposite angle. So 5, the interior opposite angles are 3 and 4. So similarly, angle 5 is equal to angle 3 plus angle 4, and if we exceed CB like this, so this is your exterior angle, give them name angle 6. So again, angle 6, it means exterior angle is equal to the sum of interior opposite angle, it means angle 2 plus angle 4. Now let's move forward. So here question is find the value of x in the following figure. So by using exterior angle property, we have to solve these two questions. So see, this is your exterior angle and this is your interior opposite angle. So we know that exterior angle is equal to sum of interior opposite angle. So here 100 degree is equal to sum of interior opposite angle, it means 70 plus x. So here we have to find out the value of x. So x is equal to, we'll transpose the 70 from left hand side, so it will be 100 minus 70 degree is equal to 30 degree. So value of x is equal to 30 degree. Now move next part. Okay, in this triangle, the triangle is right angle triangle. Here the value is not given, but we know that right angle triangle, it means 90 degree. And this is your exterior angle. So exterior angle is equal to x plus 90 degree interior opposite angle. So x is equal to 140 degree minus 90 degree. 140 minus 90, which is equal to 50 degree. So value of x is equal to 50 degree. Now move to the next property, angle sum property. Is state that the sum of all three angles of a triangle are equal to 180 degree. So we know that in a triangle there are three angles. In a triangle there are three angles, and these three angles are always equal to 180 degree. Now give them name x, y and z. So according to your angle sum property, angle x plus angle y plus angle z is equal to 180 degree. This is your angle sum property. So let's do one example. Suppose this is your an isosceles triangle. Okay, we know that in isosceles triangle two sides are equal. Suppose this side is equal to this one and this angle is given. Now according to your question, find out the value of these two angles. So we know that in isosceles triangle, opposite angle of equal sides are equal. So it means these two angles are equal. Suppose let this angle be x. So this angle is also bx. By using angle sum property, sum of all angles of a triangle is equal to 180 degree. So x plus 30 degree is equal to 180 degree. X plus x will become 2x. So 2x plus 30 degree is equal to 180 degree. Now 2x is equal to, will move from right hand side. So 180 degree minus 30 degree. 180 minus 30 is equal to 150 degree. So x is equal to 150 upon 2 is equal to 75 degree. So the value of this angle, the value of x is 75 degree. Some more questions related to this property. Find the value of x and y of the following figure. So first figure, you have to find out the value of x. So by using angle sum property, by using angle sum property, we know that sum of all angles of a triangle is equal to 180 degree. This angle is not given, but we know that this is your 90 degree. So 2x plus x plus 90 degree is equal to 180 degree. Okay, 2x plus x will become 3x plus 90 degree is equal to 180 degree. So 3x is equal to 180 degree minus 90 degree, which is equal to 90 degree. So value of x will transpose this 3 from this side. So 3, it will be 30 degree. So the value of this angle is equal to 30 degree, and the value of this angle, this is 2x. So 2 into 30 is equal to 60 degree. So this one is 30, this one is 60, and this one is 90. Now next move to B part. In this triangle, you have to find out the value of x and y. So first of all, in this question, we have to use both the property, exterior angle property and angle sum property. So according to exterior angle property, exterior angle is equal to sum of interior opposite angle. Here exterior angle is equal to 130. So 130 is equal to interior opposite angle. It means x and 60 degree, x plus 60 degree. So x is equal to 130 degree minus 60 degree is equal to 70 degree. The value of x is 70 degree. Now we have to find out the value of y. Again, we know that sum of all angles of a triangle is equal to 180 degree. So by angle sum property x plus 60 degree plus y is equal to 180 degree. We know that the value of x is 70. So 70 plus 60 degree plus y is equal to 180 degree. 70 plus 60 will become 130. So y is equal to 180 degree minus 130, which is equal to 50 degree. So angle y is equal to 50 degree and angle x is equal to 70 degree. Now Pythagoras theorem. Pythagoras theorem, it applies only in right angle triangle. When your triangle is right angle triangle, then you can use Pythagoras theorem. So it states that the square of the hypotenuse is equal to the sum of the square of the other two sides. So hypotenuse means the longest side of the triangle, or we can say, suppose this is your right angle triangle. So in this right angle triangle, this is the longest side. So this is called hypotenuse, or we can say just opposite of the right angle triangle side is called hypotenuse. So suppose give them name A, B and C. The value of this, suppose x, y and z. So hypotenuse square is equal to the sum of the square of the other two side. It means y square plus z square. If we find the value of x, so we'll transpose this square from right hand side. So it will be under root y square plus z square. Okay, now for example, suppose your triangle is this, right angle triangle at that point, and the value of hypotenuse is x and the value of perpendicular is 6 and base is 8. Now we have to find out the value of x by using Pythagoras theorem. So we know that hypotenuse square is equal to sum of the square of their other two sides. It means 6 square plus 8 square. 6 square it means 36. 8 square it means 64. 36 plus 64 will become 100. And we have to find out the value of x. So x is equal to under root 100, and we know that the square root of 100 is 10. So here the value of x is equal to 10.